This is your go-to girl, and I'm your go-to girl. Well, today I'm going to be doing like a Forex indicator review kind of thing, but it is me telling you the indicators that work, and I'm bringing like my strategy and sharing it with you for free. The only thing you need to do, and I'm begging you to do, is just to like my video and subscribe, and you feel free to comment. I'll actually respond to the comments because my channel is still new, so I can see as many comments as you can drop. And this video is also based on someone's comments. Someone wanted a Forex indicator review, and that's why I'm doing like a whole playlist of Forex indicator reviews, indicators that really work. And today we're going to be doing MACD, that is the moving average convergence divergence indicator, and we're going to be using it to trade, and we're going to be seeing the strategies we can use with that indicator to make an almost perfect trade that works. Like, it's not just 85, it works like 95% of the time if you like put your mind into what you're doing. And yeah, let's get into it. So starting, we're going to come over. Okay, close. So we're going to go here. Like, we could actually go here and check for our indicators, or basically just go here and do that. So anyhow, so adding indicator strategy, and I'm going to add my MACD. I already have it here, but if you have not like put it in your favorite or anything, go to technicals and just type MACD and it'll come out here. All of that. So I've added that to my chart already, and this is the MACD. So before we even get into it, I want us to understand the whole indicator, how it works, how what the indicator signifies, and all of that. Why this video is different, is because I'm trying to break everything into smaller bits so everybody can like understand. So the blue one is the MACD line. This blue line is the MACD line. The orange line is the signal line, and this here is the histogram. And between, there's a tiny line in the middle here, like a long line, like the straight line that differentiates the up from the down. That line is called the zero line. So how MACD works is, if the blue line, no, if the red line crosses the blue line above the zero line, so this red line or orange line, that's the signal line. If it crosses over the MACD line, that's this blue one, above this zero line in the middle, it means the market is going to sell. And if the blue line crosses, let me look for somewhere that it is very significant. Yeah, okay, let's just say here. If the blue line crosses above the orange line, that's the signal line, and it is below the zero line here, that means the market is going to sell. Yes, here is a very good example. See here, it crosses, this blue crosses over this, and it's like going up. The market is selling. It sold here a little bit and then like came down. See here, the orange line crosses over the blue and it came down, and it bought. The market bought at that point. So this thing is not always 100% accurate, and many people lose some of their trade because of that. Like, for example, in this place, we can see what happened here. Just like from here all the way from like here, no, from here, here. Here it told us that the market is going to buy, and we would not see this because we are like predicting what will happen here. For example, if we had not gotten here, we are predicting what will happen in this market, and we see this, we think, okay, when it starts and the bank is going to buy, we place our trade, and the market just went sideways, and we would have actually lost here before it came like all the way down. So there would have been a loss here. So that is why you need to add some other things, and that is the strategy that I'm going to be telling you in this distance. So me rating indicators, MACD on its own, I'm giving it a 3. I'm rating it a 3/5. But with the strategy I'm going to be using, I'm going to be rating it a 4 0.5. So let's get into it. So I'm going to add my MACD, and I'm going to put something called the EMA. That's the moving average exponential, and I already have it in my favorite. So it's the same way. Like, you could just come here and search it in technical as well. It's here. So here. So this is my moving average exponential, or the EMA, and I'm just going to go to settings and change my length to 200. No, let me just like change it to like 200. Okay, no, let's see, change it to 200. Perfect. And I'm going to press OK, and that is it. So this is another signal that will help us to know if we are actually going right. So when we use the two together, we actually make a perfect trade. So where's that place it was kind of like signaling? Okay, here, no, not there. Where is it? This, let me show you how this works. So if the line is above the market, that means the market is selling. Okay, but if the market price is above the line, that means the market is buying. So that's how it works. So if we use the two together, we're actually going to kind of like benefit from it, and it's going to like work. But this is a ranging market. Euro USD is a ranging market, so the two together is not going to work. You're just going to try to use like price action for here. But I'm going to use probably BTC USD to show you. BTC USD. Okay, what's the USD? SD. Yeah, I think this one is okay. Yeah, BTC USD. So we're using a BTC USD, a market that is like, there's significant price actions. There's significant like price selling or buying. It's very significant. So that's where this works. You can see it. So here it shows the market is selling. If you ever get an analysis that the market is going to buy, it's going to be very wrong. So you have to use the two. Once the two of them are saying the same thing, trade in the market. But once they are not saying the same thing, once one is going, it's better to play safe and be on the safer side and just wait to see wherever the market is going to be large. Like if you followed it here, for example, even if it's just here, and you saw that this market is going to sell, and here it is like probably was somewhere here and it was still like under, you could have just placed your sell, and you just like probably you bought around here, and that's like around here, and you placed your sell based on this two, you would have gained like from all the way from here till here, and that is a lot. And this is a 30 minutes chart I'm using. That is a lot. So EMA and MACD works on like charts that the price action is very significant. It's either buying or selling. It's not like moving sideways often. So here you can see it. Here the market is selling compared to here. So the market is selling here compared to here. This is like the highest point the market has reached at this particular time, and now the market is selling. So here what we need to do is we could actually wait for this to close and see how it actually opens the next one, and we'll trade there and we'll see how like it goes. And that is how MACD BTC works. Very effective stuff, very effective stuff. And you can actually try it on your demo account, or just like try it on like a safe trade on your demo account to see if my analysis will work or not, because I'm very sure it works, and it's something I've tried on my own, and I am going to bring in something that has been tested and trusted, and not just something you see everywhere and you try it and you're like losing money from something that was looking real on YouTube. But this is real. I tried trading with it and it worked really well. If you use it in a like significant price chart and it doesn't work for you, you can like come and say it out anywhere, and I am actually not going to be angry if you give me any review you give me, because I know this is going to work very effectively, and this is what you need to, trade in this kind of markets where the whole price is like very significant. It just ranged in the middle a little bit. That's here it ranged. It was like a sideways market here. But all these places where the prices are like going up and going down and all of that, you're gonna like gain very much if you use this combo. That's the EMA and the MACD. So using it alone sometimes can give you like false signals, like especially here heavy range here, and like you try using, okay, so this place that is going to sell, and you like kind of like do this and do this and do this, and probably you like gain a little bit from here to here, and you see here it's going to buy and you just jump into the market. You're going to lose money, because if you sold out to here and you're buying from here, I mean, you're going to lose. See, it's not going anywhere. It's like going down. So, yeah, this is it. I use TradingView charts in case you want to know the kind of charts I'm using. TradingView, and this is what you need. This is it. MACD, EMA, very perfect. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you a lot. If you've gotten to this point, if you enjoyed my video, please like and take a moment to subscribe. Please subscribe. The channel is new and I need you to please subscribe so that I can have the motivations to drop more for you guys. And please comment if you have any comments, or if there's any kind of video you want me to do. I'll try to make time to add it into my schedule and make the video that you're gonna learn from. My purpose here is just to make things simpler and easier, make you learn from all these things that are going to be making you money, and you don't have to like stress yourself and crack your brain to like try and watch your chart from today to tomorrow. Just set your stop loss and your take profit. Let me show you how to set your stop loss and take profit in this kind of market. So once, assuming we bought here, assuming we checked this place, let me use here for example, and we say, okay, the market is going to sell from here, and that is around here, and I place my trade here. So this is what I would have done. I'll take my position this and try like I've already like overused it. You just kind of like delete this one, go back here and just click here. Yeah, so if this was where I saw that I wanted to sell, I'm going to sell from there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it. I don't want long position, I want like a short position. No, don't let me do that. I mean, like come here and try to like change the position, short position. So I don't want long position, I want a short position. Yeah, so I'm just going to delete this one, drag it all the way here from where I think this is it, and I'm like, okay, I'm going to sell. Where is my line? This is my line here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it all the way down and take my profit just about here from where this line dragged from, and I'm like, this is where I'm going to take my profit here. Just going to leave it there, and I'm going to set my stop loss to, let's set our stop loss to trying to see like here. Yes, just in case it goes up here to here. So generally you want your reward to be 1.5 times your risk ratio. So but this is good. This place is okay, it's good here. Yeah, and this is it. You just wait for the market to do what it wants to do, and once it gets here, it sells for you. I mean, it but it sells for you automatically, and you have gotten, I mean, say from all the way from here to here, you have gotten quite a lot profit, you know. Yeah, this is beautiful actually. Gotten quite a lot profit from there to here, and I put it like at the middle of wherever I wanted it. I'm getting quite profit, and it actually sold. And once it gets here, you can and you see, you check your chart again, and you see that it is still going to sell. You come and you take another one, and you redo the whole thing, and you, oh my God, you gain, and that is money. That's a whole lot of money coming right at you in your 30 minutes chart. And how many minutes do we use to do this? Like a few hours, and we've gotten like so much money from it. And that is how to do it. I hope you like this video, and I tried making everything as simple as ABC. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate like, comment, like, share. Anything you can actually do, just do it. Thank you, and bye.